Good afternoon, hi. Hi everybody, good day. It's your girl Lynn Min, Vinci, Life Changer. And I'm just about to make my detox using my instant IASO tea. Okay, and I just really want to show you how simple and easy it is to make my tea. And today I'm going to be turbocharging my detox. So what I'm going to be using instead of regular water, I'm going to be using coconut. So I actually had my coconut, I cracked it and I drained it. So I have a nice full cup of coconut water. I'm gonna pour out some. I'm not gonna use all of it, so I'm only gonna use some of it. I know you should be able to see me pouring, but I pour it in a smaller glass and I have my spoon here. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rip it. Just as you might do when you're at home, or you use a scissors. And I'm going to pour it into my cup. Come closer. Just hold it right there. Thank you. I'm gonna pour it into my cup. All of it. Good stuff. Having my little sister help me. I'm gonna stir it because it's in a cup. I'm gonna stir. I'm gonna stir it. Stir it. It's gonna dissolve. I actually like doing this in a bottle. It's easier in a bottle. No lie. It's a lot easier in the bottle. Nonetheless, I'm still stirring, ensuring that all my particles are dissolved. Okay. And then I'm just going to drink it. Do you want some? No. And that's it. So this video is about what, 3 minutes and some seconds long, and I've made my detox. I've consumed it. This is the instant version of the IASO detox tea. It's 100% natural, it's GMO free, and it makes 1 glass of herbal tea. The ingredients of this tea includes 9 natural herbs and added fiber. And our herbs include ginger, pawpaw leaf, chamomile, malva leaf, parmesan leaf, holy thistle, blessed thistle, and myrrh. Okay, and those awesome herbs help to create this awesome product that is going to help me to shed 5 pounds in 5 days, help me to detox my system and cleanse. Okay, so that's about it. I'm just sharing the love, sharing the product, making you a part of my journey. So I'm looking forward for you joining me on this journey to health and wellness and weight loss. If you want to contact me, you can WhatsApp me at 1784-495-5038. You can call me 1784-432-1076. You can message me on Facebook. You can check me out at Lynn Mills Total Healthy Living on Facebook. That's my Facebook page. Or you can look for Lynn Mill on Facebook, and you can also send me a message there. okay? And we can get you hooked up with these amazing products. Have a blessed day. Until another time, take care and God bless.